Welcome back. In the previous tutorials, we have seen ampersand and asterisk operators. We have also discussed declaring integer pointers, its memory allocation, and how it works. In this tutorial, we will learn declaring pointers of different data types. We will learn how to create pointers of character, integer, and float, and how they work. Look at this code. We have declared an integer x and assigned value 5 to it. Then we have created pointers I, j, and k in the next 3 lines of code. We have assigned address of x to each of the individual pointers. You can imagine it with the help of graphics given here. Now the same code is given with the memory map in the graphics. All the 3 pointers I, j, and k have got separate memory location. 65522 is for I, 65520 is for j, and 65518 for k. All the 3 pointers are containing address of x, that is 65524, which is the result of 3 assignment statements written in the code, where we are assigning address of x to all the 3 pointers one by one. Now we will learn something different. We will create pointers of different data types. We will create pointers of character, integer, and float. Look at the line of code given here. We have declared a character variable ch and assigned a to it. So 1 byte of memory is allocated at 4040 location to it, and ASCII value of capital A is stored in ch variable. At this line of code, we have declared variable I and assigned 65 to it. So 2 bytes are allocated to I from 5052 to 5053, and binary equivalent of 65 is stored at allocated bytes. Now at this line of code, we have declared variable f and assigned 2.54 to it. So 4 bytes are allocated to f, 6061, 6062, 6063, and 6064, and binary equivalent of 2.54 is stored at allocated bytes. Now it's time to declare pointers. At this line of code, we have declared a pointer to character, that is chptr. You can imagine it with the help of graphics. Now we have declared a pointer to integer, that is iptr. It has got memory location 8080 to store address of integer variable. At this line of code, we have declared a pointer to float, that is fptr. It has got memory location 9090 to store address of float variable. This is how spaces are allocated to store addresses of the respective type of variable. Every pointer, irrespective of its type, gets 2 bytes of memory on which it holds address. At the right hand side of the graphics, only starting byte addresses are shown. Now we are assigning address of ch variable to chptr pointer. As a result, chptr pointer is storing address of ch, that is 4040, and chptr has started pointing to variable ch. Similarly, at this line of code, we are assigning address of I variable to iptr pointer, and iptr pointer is now storing address of starting byte of I variable, that is 5052, and iptr has started pointing to variable I. Now we are assigning address of f variable to fptr pointer, and fptr pointer is storing address of starting byte of f variable, that is 6061, and fptr is pointing to variable f. Pointer always stores address of the first byte allocated to variable. Now we have printf statements. First 3 printf statements give address which are stored at pointers, and last 3 printf statements give the values of the simple variables. Look at the another code. Here we have declared a character variable ch having the value a in it, At the same line, we have also declared two pointers chptr1 and chptr2, which are pointers to character. Then we have declared variable I with the value 65 and variable f which is having value 2.53 in it. In the next lines of code, we are trying to assign addresses of I and f to pointers chptr1 and chptr2 respectively, which are not compatible assignments because destination pointers type are different. How can we assign integer variable address to character pointer and float address to character pointer? It's suspicious. However, this code will have no error, but practically it's not correct. So warning will come, but we can execute this code and will get output. It's not recommended to write such type of incompatible code. It's not good programming practice. That's the end of this tutorial. I hope you understand the concept. If you like this tutorial, press like button down the screen and leave your comments. If you have any query, please feel free to discuss. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.